Good morning, Paul and Amina, and to my friends. My name is Edmund DJ, and my matrix number is 10DEP24F1021. Today, I'm going to my presentation will be about practical work 3 bipolar junction transistor. First, I'm going to explain the theory for the bipolar junction transistor. Now, the transistor is an electronic component built by solid-state semiconductor devices by two closely coupled PN junction. The transistor is a 3-terminal as a collector, base, and emitter. There are too many ways to know the transistor terminals, such as the transistor physical using ohm meter or manual book. Now, I'm going to go through the equipment that you need for the experiment. So, you will need an analog multimeter, a transistor, both NPN and PNP, a project board, power supply, and a jumper. Now, I'm going to go through the procedure on how to identify the base for each NPN and PNP transistor. Now, first, in the analog multimeter, you need to select an ohm range selector to X10 ohm, and then we have to name the terminal for each transistor as 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Next, what you have to do, we have to place the transistor on the project board, and we have to touch the red probe of the multimeter to the first terminal of the transistor, and touch the black probe to the second terminal of the transistor. After this, you have to record the reading on table 2. Okay, next, without changing the red probe position at the first terminal, move back from the second terminal to the third terminal. Record the reading on table 2.0. Now, change the first terminal to the black probe, touch the red probe to the second terminal of the transistor, and record the reading on table 2.0. Right. Lastly, without changing the probe position at the first terminal, move the other probe from the second terminal to the third terminal. And again, you have to record the reading to table 2.0. After this, you have to record the steps for the PNP transistor. Alright. As for the conclusion, if both readings on the meter show the deflection about 20 to 500 ohm, this indicates that the terminal of the transistor is base. Alright, that's all from me. Thank you very much.
Thank you to my friend Edmund. My name is Haikal Iman Behelmi, and my ID is 10DEP24F1003. I want to present how to identify NPN or PNP transistor. First, you need to determine whether a transistor is NPN or PNP. We start by checking the polarity of the meter probe and touching the base terminal. We compare reading with figure 3.4 and record the result in the table 3.0. For conclusion, if the base probe is positive, the transistor is NPN. When polarity is reversed, the transistor is PNP.
Thank you to my friend Haikal. My name is Akmal Nizam, number matrix 10DEP24F1016. Today, I will present how to identify the emitter and collector terminals of a transistor using a multimeter. To distinguish between the emitter and collector, we use a multimeter in resistance mode. We set it to higher range such as 10k ohm and take measurement. For both NPN and PNP transistors, the emitter shows a lower resistance while the collector shows a higher resistance. This is because the emitter has a higher doping concentration compared to the collector. For the conclusion, by measuring the resistance, we can effectively identify the emitter and collector of a transistor. The emitter always gives a lower resistance reading, which helps in circuit design and troubleshooting. I think that's all from us. Thank you.